I wanted to take a quick trip to Dollar Tree to see what they have and new. They're starting to put out things for summer. These right here I love. If you see these, I would grab these. These can make such a pretty centerpiece or even like a wreath. They have them in different fruits. They do have limes too. They were out right now when I went, but they have these. I think these are like apricots or I don't know. They look like little peaches. So they have different fruits in those. They have out the summer colored planters, so these are good for spring, for summer, but they have them in different colors and they're like real bright, and you can see they match the hose attachments and stuff, so you can make a little moment. These little citronella candles they have right here, these are green, so you can use these for outdoors to keep away the bugs. They started putting out their patriotic items, the red, white, and blue, like the flag items. So they have this little metal sign right here. I thought that one was cute, and you can even make like a custom picture or something with that. They have these little wind socks right here. They have flags. They have just a ton of different little items that you can pick from right now, all $1.25. These little metal signs, the metal signs I think are always great because you can use them in your yard, or like I said, you can make something custom like a piece of wall art or something with those. They have a ton of toys right now for the kids, so you can, these for $1.25 not bad. You can take these on vacation. That's what I always think these are great for. You can take them on vacation if you're going somewhere, or you can just, use them for the summer. And at $1.25, like I said, it's not bad at all. They have a ton of things from bubbles to games to just all kinds of different things. These, we've seen these before, but I love these. These so cute. So you put them on your little pots and they just like hang on to the side, and they come in different ones. More of the red, white, and blue decor. They have crafts. They have signage. They just have all kinds of things. They have bigger flags too. They have the deco mesh for you can make like wreaths and different things. They have ribbon in different prints. They even have cute little headbands. So these are separate. You buy each one, but they have them in different prints. They have cute little decor pieces. He was missing his other little ear though, but he was super cute. Just like I said, a ton of red, white, and blue items right now. But with everything at the Dollar Tree, you got to get them now before they are gone. Especially if you're doing like a party or something like that, you want to like grab your little pieces now. They have lanterns for outside. So, and they have lanterns in different themes too. So if you're not looking for like red, white, and blue, they have lanterns and other things. They have cute little light up headbands, just all kind of things. Because before you know it too, it'll be Memorial Day weekend, my birthday weekend. But yeah, so you might want to grab some of these pieces and get together whatever you're doing, and you can use it for the rest of the summer, for Labor Day, 4th of July, for all the different things. You can so just grab them now, because my Dollar Tree is putting out all of the things right now, from cups to party supplies, just a ton of different things. So you might want to take a look. And then Mother's Day, before you know it, it will be Mother's Day too. That is just next month also. So they have all the little balloons. They have this. This is like the spring decor, but it's be good for a Mother's Day party. Those headbands said child size though, but I don't know if they have them in adult size. But they were cute, to pull back your hair when you're washing your face and stuff. If you're doing like a little basket or something, you can take a lot of these pieces and put them in there. They have this little face mister right here, and that came in 2 different colors. They have decor pieces. They have little soaps. They have picture frames. They have just all the kind of different little things, bath fizzers. I like how they packaged up. So this is the little thing that everybody uses to reshape their face, but they repackage some of the items that they have in the beauty section into like these little special boxes, so they'll be cute when you put them together to make like a little Mother's Day basket or something. And some of the items that they did have for like Valentine's Day, they have. So yeah, you can just grab some of those and make a cute basket. These little holders I thought were cute. They're like a plastic and they're really pretty. I found the pampas grass, so I saw it online months ago, I want to say, and I didn't see it at my Dollar Tree for the longest time. So they have it there now in all of the colors. So yeah, you might want to grab that if you're looking for some pampas grass. $1.25. They have the items for graduation. Out here in New York, the kids don't graduate till June, But I know in other states, your kids might be graduating sooner. So yeah, you want to grab some of these items to do like parties and grab them, like I said, early, because they will be gone. But they have all the things you need to put together like a cute party, from decor to the plates, the cups, the banners, things for just going to the graduation. So yeah, you might want to take a look at that, especially if you're planning to do a little graduation party this year, or a grad. I've seen a lot of people too, like online, start little businesses doing graduation stuff, and they use items from the Dollar Tree too. So you might want to grab those. These little fans I thought were cute. They came in 3 colors at my Dollar Tree, so they had those. They have a lot of little things for like the luau type parties that you might want to do this year. These are some of the things that they have every year, but they don't put them out until about now. So yeah, if you're going to do like a little luau party or something like that for the summer, or you like to decorate like in that theme, you might want to head over to Dollar Tree and pick some of those up. They have the little summer signs out that they're starting to put out. These little cups, whether you're doing a party or not, I just think these little cups and stuff for the season are cute. And they had a ton of different options. So they had the little plastic cups, coconut cups, pineapple cups, like the drink cups with the little flowers on them, different little like shapes. They have flamingos. They just had a ton of different options. The little ones with the little straw going from the outside, I thought those were cute. And these are just fun just to have for the season. As the seasons change, it's fun to just change it up and have different things to drink out of. I get like Halloween cups and different stuff from the Dollar Tree. I don't have a Halloween party, but I just like around the different times of year to have, different stuff. So yeah, you might want to pick up some of those. These little paper straws are cute. They have headbands for these themes too right here. So yeah, and they had different types. So you can get the elastic one, those, the nautical items. We saw these most of these before. We saw most of these nautical items before. But they did have a few ones that I think we didn't see. So the metal frames, I think we didn't see. What else didn't we see? I think we didn't see the nautical rope right here, this blue one. So it's like a blue in there. So you can grab that. They have little art pieces, so you can grab those. You can make like a big wall display or something from those. I'm not sure if we saw those little shells. So we saw the little glasses with the tops on them, but I'm not sure if we saw these. And I'm not even sure if they supported the nautical, but they were there with them. These nautical signs, not sure if we saw those either. But yeah, they had a few new ones that I don't think we saw last time when we saw the nautical items. The crafting section, of course, you can grab some great things. I thought these butterflies were cute, and you can make something nice out of those. 32 pieces in there. So there's like big ones, and then there's small ones in the back. These are pretty too, and these are part of in the craft section, and those came in a few different colors. Deco mesh for the season. I'm not sure if we saw these before, but the fruit. So if you're doing like a fruit bowl, and honestly, I went on sites like Pottery Barn and places, and they have faux fruit for a crazy price, $1.25 a piece. Get your faux fruit. These little wood signs in the craft section I think are cute, and you can make you a cute little sign. They already have the little thing so you can hang it up. The beads we saw before, I'm not sure if we saw these big ones right here. I think those are great, especially since I've used the foam dice from the kids section to do DIYs, but now they have the wood ones. These dowels, they are thicker than the other ones. So yeah, just a few new things. If you don't know, office supplies are great from the Dollar Tree. And I just wanted to show you, like, they have such a great selection of Post-it notes. If you like to write little notes and different things like me, Post-it notes, thumbtacks, all those different things, they have a great selection at the Dollar Tree. And they have so many options that you can, really coordinate it with how your office is themed. These, I'm not sure if I showed you these before, but they have these, and these are so cute. They come in different colors. These little metal signs right here, kind of like with the nautical theme too. So I think they're part of the collection, and you can do something custom with those. The hooks, I think we've seen before, but I'm not sure if we saw them in that color. I think we might have saw them in other colors. Yeah, just more signs that I think are part of that nautical little collection. but they had them in the crab section. Never do I see the knobs. I've seen the knobs online. I've seen the knobs in other people's videos. Never have I really seen the glass knobs at my Dollar Tree. So they had them there today. I thought that was cool. They brought back out those signs that they had before. So you might want to grab those. Those are cute. So yeah, just a few little custom things. Those we've seen before, but those are cute. So I just like to show them. These, so you can get organized. So you put these in your drawer and you can organize your socks, your underwears, small little items. And it says it has 14 little compartments in there. And of course, they have all the other stuff too. The towels, I don't know if we've seen these before, but the blue ones, and then this one right here, and they're raised. So they're like the peel and stick towels. They still have a bunch of the other ones too. But I thought that blue is real pretty, and it's just something different, because I don't think we saw that color before. Then this, funny thing is, I seen somebody on TV, I was watching a show, and she was using this to toss the ball for her dog, and I was like, where do you get that from? And then I see it, this right here. I don't know which watch you put in there, but it was like the little band for it. I was looking to see if they had the actual piece that you put in there, but it's like the little monitor. And then this little phone mirror. So you're supposed to stick it to the back of your phone, and then the mirror is supposed to flip out. They had it in a bunch of different prints and stuff. I was wondering if the reverse, like to the front, and then you can use it like a screen to monitor when you're doing you can maybe use it for rear facing when you're using your rear facing camera. The barbecue stuff that I think we saw this before, but I just wanted to show you again. They have all the barbecue stuff out. They put these back out in my Dollar Tree. I'm waiting for them to put back out the little snack ones that look like this, because those are great for the season. The summer color baskets and organizational things. If you don't know, these are great to get organized, and they even have the little picture to show you how you can get organized with these. But yeah, you can get organized with those. They have little bucket hats this season, so they have different prints. They have solid colors, so if you're looking for a little $1.25 bucket hat, you can grab those. These containers, like baskets and boxes for Mother's Day and gifts. And to me, this was great, okay, because when I was looking for Christmas, I couldn't find the right sizes. You could do the surprise box with those, because those fit inside of each other. So you can do the surprise boxes with those. More of the little bucket hats. And if you didn't see before, they have tote bags, like big tote bags. So you can grab those too. So you can get your bucket hat, a tote bag, and be ready for the beach. You get you some flip-flops. The press-on nails, they've been coming out with so many different colors. And every time I go, they have a different print for the press-on toenails. So if you're looking for any of those, you can grab those. I've heard people say like, ew, I would never use those. Then you probably shouldn't if you don't want to. But if you do, they have a ton of different prints. These right here, I thought these were cute. So they infused with different type of oils and different things. So they had even the Q-tips. So they infused with different things for the Q-tips. So yeah, if you're looking for some like infused type items, they had that whole little collection there. Along with other beauty items, they have a ton of different things now. They have the little scrubbers, which I love to like scrub and exfoliate my face. So I use like something like that one right there, where I use the soft brush, and then the other side they have the little lip scrubber. Yeah, so I like how they have improved for $1.25 the beauty section so much. To go items like Tupperware and different things. So they have this little set right here of 3. So you get the 3 bowls, and then the tops on that. Of course, they have other things. They have this little one right here with the top that pops on. So yeah, just a bunch of storage, especially if you can organize. You want to check out the Dollar Tree for pantry items and different things. These I thought were pretty for the season, just the color in them, the little blue. I like that one right there. And then if you're doing like a taco party, we have tacos too much here. Too much. But they have different little items. You can make like a cute little taco party, from the trays to the different little decor pieces. So yeah, you might want to grab those, because those are cute, especially the little hats and stuff. And they even have, the food items, so you can make all your stuff except for the ground beef. You can grab everything there. The cups, the napkins, the little plates. So yeah, if you're doing like a little taco party, or maybe you just want to spice up your Taco Tuesdays and just have those items, you might want to head over to the Dollar Tree and see what yours has right now.